Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup macOS FileVault recovery keys securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Mac is powered on and you are logged in. Open the Finder application on your Mac. In the top menu bar, click on Go. From the drop-down menu, select Utilities. Locate and open the Keychain Access application. In the Keychain Access window, select File from the menu bar. Click on New Password Item. In the dialog box, enter a descriptive name for your recovery key. For the account name, enter a recognizable title, such as FileVault Recovery Key. In the password field, paste the recovery key you obtained during FileVault setup. Optionally, you can add a note for further clarification. Click that Add button to save the item to your keychain. Next, consider backing up your recovery key to an external drive. Connect the external drive to your Mac. Create a new folder on the external drive named FileVault Backup. Open TextEdit and paste your recovery key into a new document. Save the document in the FileVault Backup folder. Now, for added security, encrypt the folder on the external drive. Right-click on the FileVault Backup folder and select Encrypt. Follow the prompts to set a strong password for encryption. Be sure to store this password securely, as it will be needed to access the folder. Finally, confirm that your recovery key and any backup options are securely stored. You can repeat this process by choosing a different storage method if desired. Consider writing the recovery key down and storing it in a safe location, like a safe deposit box. By following these steps, your macOS FileVault recovery key will be backed up securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.